Made it to Forbes.
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own intro without YouTube editor at all. So today what you're going to need is gifs.com. I'll provide the link in .com. You can get any GIF online. I'm just using a car drifting on a mountain gift. This is the GIF I'll be using today. Next, what you want to do is go to gifs.com, upload your GIF that you saved to your computer, click on it, open it, and then there you go. What you want to do now is go onto the text on GIF, add your channel, and do not change the shadow because it will ruin the text. Press add text, move it to anywhere on the GIF that you would suggest that would look great. I suggest for this photo, up on the top of it. Go down to the add text below, download the file size and dimensions, press add text, and then it should finish it, edit it for you, and then it will fully upload. And then there you go. So now you have your own intro right here. And then what you want to do is press download the result. That's the size for mine right there. Save it to pictures or anywhere on that you want it to be, and then wait for it to fully load. Now what you want to do is go to an editor. What I suggest is VideoPad editor. It's a great editor, and add your intro. What I did here was add onto track with the photo and audio I normally use for my normal intro, right here. But right here you see that mine failed, so I gotta redo it again. Open it from your file, and then it should load. Put it onto the track right here, and then it'll end up like that. Go to audio, upload your audio, and then choose the setting for your audio that you like the best. And then go to at least 10 seconds, because that's basically the normal kind of thing. Exactly 10 seconds though. And then edit it like that. Go back to your video files and then put it on the track repeatedly. No, you can't actually stretch it out because it doesn't work. Tried. And then there you go. Now what you want to do is go on to preview, and then there you go.
Made it to Forbes.
And there you have it, your own YouTube intro. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.